Welcome to JH. You've probably seen the ads for Vivid Seats, that digital corner of the internet where people swap tickets for concerts and games. If you've ever wondered if the site is actually legit or just a sophisticated way to lose your rent money, we've done the digging for you. First off, there's a massive green flag. They've been around since 2001. That's over 2 decades of survival, which is basically an eternity in internet years. Usually, if a company hasn't vanished into the night after 20 years, it means they're stable, or at least very good at navigating the chaos of the ticket industry. Their social media presence is also surprisingly solid. They're active on Facebook, Instagram, and even LinkedIn, because apparently, even ticket marketplaces need professional networking. With nearly 200,000 followers on Facebook, they're clearly not hiding in a basement. Plus, they have official apps on both the Google and Apple stores. Since those platforms have more vetting rules than a prestigious boarding school, being listed there adds a nice layer of, "we're probably not stealing your identity," to the whole experience. We even checked under the hood to see who's actually running the show. Founded by Eric Vassiliados and Jerry Benyak, the current CEO is Stan Chia, who has a very real and very public LinkedIn profile. It's always refreshing when the people in charge have actual names and faces instead of being a mysterious silhouette in a hoodie. This level of transparency is exactly what you want when you're about to drop a small fortune on front row seats. Now, let's talk reviews, which is where things get a little spicy. On Trustpilot, they're rocking a 4.3-star rating with over 90,000 reviews, which sounds like a dream. But then there's Reddit, the place where sunshine goes to die and people actually vent their frustrations. Reddit users aren't exactly holding back, citing hidden fees and customer support that can be about as helpful as a screen door on a submarine. While many people have perfectly smooth transactions, the complaints about last-minute ticket issues definitely stand out. So, what's the final verdict? Vivid Seats is a legitimate company with real history and real leadership. It's definitely not a scam, but your experience might be a bit of a mixed bag depending on the luck of the draw. It's a real service, but you should probably shop with a bit of caution, especially if you're planning a massive trip around a single event. If this breakdown helped you navigate the wild world of online ticketing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews that tell it like it is.